and today I'm going to be taking you through a weekly review for uh, the just concluded trading week. Okay, so right now you find that we've got some couple of changes in analysis drawing at our chart screen, and probably wondering what's going on. Okay, now you see drawing in Forex is a lot of work. Okay, it's a lot of work, and it's beautiful using the indicators as well. They're beautiful and all that, but after many analysis and review, came to this place where I realized that the indicators do not give me the leverage to be able to take long trends. Okay, what I'm targeting is long trends. I'm looking at trends that can take me from a certain level to a very high level, and then I can make massive profit. And most times these indicators appear based on what they perceive in the market, and sometimes don't turn out to be exactly what it is because the indicators lie. So for that sake, I chose to use my invisible eyes to look at the charts. Okay, because at least I've come to a level where I can understand certain candle movements, market structure, and I thought, okay, fine, we're going to take out the indicators, the drawings, and we're going to give the chart some professional look. So it's about professionalism, and I'm calling on everyone who's been following me in this channel from the beginning till now. Nothing is wrong, it's just a little bit of review in what I do, and to add some professionalism. So these are the entries we took in the course of the week, and this is my journal. I decided just last week that I'm going to start, putting up a physical journal. Yeah, I just want to be a lot professional in what I do. All this time I've been just trading, and not paying attention to all of this. But right now, I want to do that. I will do that. Okay, let's go professional because it's worth it. There's a lot of benefits in this market, and so whatever we do professionally would take us very, very far. Okay, so what happens is, first of all, in my journal, what I have is my trading rules, and then I have the dates of entries, currency I bought, the amount I bought, the various take profit, stop losses, and then the result of the trade. So I'm looking at the loss, I'm looking at the profit. In long run, I cannot be able to see my profitability. So why am I looking at my journal and my entries? I'm looking at this because this too makes up my analysis. Sorry, makes up my review. So what we did first of all in the beginning of the week was to look at DXY. Pardon me please, there's a little bit of network hitch in Nigeria at the moment, so in case my chart is taking time to open. So first of all, we looked at the DXY at the beginning of the week. I think this was it. Okay, this was Monday, and DXY was giving us this bullish confirmation, telling us that the bulls were going to move the market, and so because of that we decided that we're going to be looking out for sells for GU. Okay, so this was the bull move before the selling move. Okay, this is a little bit of a market that may put a lot of people in fix. So the first entry that we caught and gave us that beautiful profit, that was how we got it. So we already knew from the beginning of the week that we're going to be selling. So first of all, okay, there was this scalp buy that I did on the 3 minutes time frame. Let me just show you quickly. before I sold at the course of the week. The buy is from 1 minute time frame. Let me check it out quickly. I think it's from the 1 minute time frame, so let's just see, because it's just a very short buy, and that was on Monday, so there was no clear bias as at then, so I thought to just do that quick scalp. Please pardon me for the slow response of my charts. It's because of the current network situation in the country. It hasn't really been funny, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do no matter what. You can see what the chart is doing. The entries are not coming up because of the network. I'm just trying to see what I could do. That's why this review session is coming a little bit late. The network has not really been helpful. It has really been funny. And we had to do what we gotta do. Oh, so the chart is not coming up right now. I wanted to show you how we came about the first entry, which was a very short buy. So the scalp buy from a very low time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame. Okay, I think I just refreshed my network. I think the charts are about to come up now. That's not funny. Just please be patient. Let's see if the chart will come up. Okay. Chart is still not coming up. Wow. This is very, very unusual. Having a review session and we're struggling with seeing charts. What do we call this experience now? I hope this doesn't happen on Monday. I had this experience from Thursday. It wasn't funny. It was affecting my entries. Let me quickly just close the app and just open it again and see. Just be patient a little bit, please. Okay, it's coming up. So let's see if it's gonna respond this time. If it doesn't, then we'll just end the review session and look forward to the analysis session. Let's see, hopefully it will come up. I just refresh the internet and also refresh the trading view. Okay, so real week. Alright, so I was just talking about my entry. Let's just do quickly on the 15 minutes. I don't want to go down to that 1 minute again, but there was an entry we took on the 1 minute time frame. I don't want to do that again because of what the network is doing. So we got this confirmation. How did we get this confirmation? If you remember, we usually use the indicator for smart money, ICT, and volume, okay, to get confirmation. Now these indicators might not be on, but my invisible eyes can actually see what I mean. This is a range of liquidity. Let me just get my drawing to and show you quickly. Here is a range of liquidity. Okay, and anytime price breaks out of a range of liquidity, it will be giving you, like if it breaks low, it will be giving you a break of structure, of which price would be coming to a POI, and we had this other block here, this other block here, which happens to be the POI. So without looking at the indicators, this gives me a full confirmation of what I need for me to know that price will be coming to this POI. So this was my entry, and I gave 20 pips, for loss target, just a little bit above the range of liquidity, and we watched price come down quickly and gave us the 41 pips profit, which we got. That was on Monday, and then price repeated almost the same thing, because this is a clear downtrend move. Came here, repeated the same thing, and gave us another 50 pips move. This was even more than the other one. Okay, and then price just kept doing that. This one gave us 14 pips. Okay, so lessons learned from last week's experience is paying attention to TP1, TP2, and TP3. So what we're going to be doing in the coming week is for those signals that I'm going to be posting, or for the entries I'm going to be taking, if you look at my entries, you'll see that I have TP1, I have TP2, I have TP3. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my partials, so that in case, like for this, if I took partials, even though price came backward, and then came to hit stop loss at this point, I will still be in profit. Okay, so this was another entry. So we had two entries that failed. This failed, and then this particular one, which we were anticipating price to come fill up this imbalance, price just came and took out this liquidity, and it's currently struggling with this high. So we're going to be looking at this very well as the week begins. We're going to be looking at this as a range of liquidity. Okay, and we're going to be expecting price to either break this side or this side. So if price breaks this side, we're going to be waiting for a retest, and we're going to be going in from a point of interest. If it breaks low, that's point of interest for a bull move. If it breaks low, we're going to be going bearish. So that's how we took all the entries on GBP USD. Now, because we are not doing a lot of drawings, so it gives us the opportunity to be able to spot more entries in other currency pairs. Why are we doing this? There are times when there are no clear buyers for some currencies, and then for us to be able to explore other currency pairs gives us the opportunity to be able to spot some buyers, even though some currency might be ranging at a particular time. So it's to that we analyzed Euro USD, we analyzed USD JPY, we analyzed Australian dollars, Australian dollars to dollars, US dollars. Then we analyzed US dollars to Canadian dollars, and then we analyzed gold, and the network is a little bit slow again. I would love to show you a bit of those charts. Okay, but just in case the network does not respond, because my time is almost up, I just want you to know that you need to put and apply some professionalism to your trading career. So make sure you pay attention to all those secrets I give you, with all the drawings and indicators I've used in the past, and then demystify the mystery in the market. But right now, what you need as a professional is a clean chart, a journal, and then you hit the market and win. So I'll be expecting to see you during the weekly analysis on Monday 6 a.m.